I think magbalik ko ani. I think mabalik kong order kay lami kaayo. Hey guys, we are finally trying this trending kay karon mapa Facebook man or TikTok kaning Dubai Chewy cookies. The moment of truth, guys. Grabe, the packaging palang daan, it's so giving. The cocoa powder na ilang gabutang, it's very smooth and wapa kayo siya. Ano yung kuan, pistachio and marshmallow, and I think na siya chocolate fillings in here. Balance lang yung sweetness, guys. Okay na siya, dali na siya i-chew. Na ma-feel din ako ang pistachio. For 135, it's not bad at all and it's really good. I think magbalik ko ani. I think mabalik kong order kay lami kaayo. Really good. For 135 pesos, it's super sulit. Then order naman sa yung Instagram page. Wala siya online store. Wala siya physical store. Online order sa siya. And pwede naman magpa-deliver sa Maxim or Lalamove. So order it now and try the new craze. And salamat sa pagtanaw.